Welcome to qnawire.
Our question says that two particles, P and Q, are released from rest 1 meter apart. And P has a mass of 0.10 kilograms, M sub P, and Q has a mass of 0.30 kilograms, M sub Q. So I'm going to call the point that P is at the origin. So X sub P then is going to be 0. And X sub Q then is going to be 1 meter since they're separated by a distance of 1 meter. It says that there's a constant force between them of 1.0 times 10 to the minus 2 newtons, and no external forces act on the system. So for part A, what is the speed of the center of mass of P and Q when the separation is 0.50 meters? And B, at what distance from P's origin position do the particles collide? Okay, so since the center of mass does not move in the absence of external forces for part A, so the center of mass of the velocity then, since there's no external forces, is going to be 0. So we'll write part A and V, the velocity, center of mass, is going to equal 0. Of course, meters per second is the units. And box fit is our solution for part A. Now, for part B, they collide at their center of mass. If the initial point coordinate for X, which is X sub P, is 0, and the initial coordinate for Q, X sub Q, is 1, then we can use equation 9-5 to get the center of mass point in which they collide. We'll call that X, center of mass, is going to be equal to M1, or just MP, times XP, plus MQ times XQ, divided by the total mass of the system, which is MP, plus MQ. So you plug all those values into this equation, and this comes out to be 0.75 meters from P's origin, since P is initially at the 0 point. So we can write, go back to that, we can write 0.75 meters from P's origin. And then box that in as our solution for part B.